A very warm welcome to our cybersecurity training for employees.
Today, we will delve into web surfing, Lesson 7.
Hi there, we meet again. You may want to know that during web surfing, you are exposed to a variety of cyber risks that can compromise your personal or organizational security. This is the second way after phishing that I get into your organization network through you. You may be interested to know that the most common risks associated with web surfing are 1. Malware. Virus, Trojans, and worms are malicious software that can damage your system, steal data, or provide unauthorized access. Ransomware. It encrypts your data and demands payment for decryption. Spyware. It monitors your activities and collects information without your consent. 2. Phishing. Fraudulent websites or email designed to trick you into revealing personal information such as login credentials or financial information. 3. Man-in-the-middle attacks. Attackers intercept and alter communication between you and a website, potentially stealing sensitive information or injecting malicious content. 4. Drive-by downloads. Automatically downloading malicious software onto your device when you visit a compromised site. 5. Malvertising. Malicious advertisements will redirect you to harmful websites or deliver malware. 6. Social engineering. Manipulative tactics are used to trick you into revealing confidential information or performing actions that compromise security. So be very cautious when web surfing, and adopt the best practice of using strong, complex passwords, enable two-factor authentication, keeping software up to date, using anti-malware software, secure your connection through VPN, and be cautious with links and download. I hope you remain vigilant when web surfing, and thank you for watching.
Now that we've explored the threats posed by web surfing, let's turn our attention to the do's and don'ts associated with web surfing and social media. While browsing the web is part of our daily routine, it's crucial to limit it to business purposes only. This helps minimize exposure to potential threats and keeps our network secure.
Spot on. When using the internet, only surf websites that are secured and have up-to-date security certificate. Use HTTPS secure connection. Avoid unnecessary downloads. Be cautious about downloading files or software from the internet, especially from unknown or untrusted sources. Malicious downloads can introduce malware into your system, which can compromise your organization's security. Beware of pop-ups. Pop-ups can be deceptive and often lead to malicious sites or downloads. Always close them immediately and avoid clicking on any links or buttons within them. Use a secure browser. Ensure that your browser is up to date and has the latest security features enabled. Consider using browser extensions that enhance security, such as ad blockers or anti-phishing tools. Report suspicious activity. If you encounter any suspicious websites or think you've clicked on something malicious, report it to your IT department immediately. Early reporting can help contain potential threats.
Limit sharing on social media. Avoid posting sensitive or confidential information, including personal information online, even on seemingly secure platforms. Consider the potential risks and how the information could be used if it fell into the wrong hands. Always think twice before sharing anything that could impact your personal or professional reputation. Don't post in real time when traveling. Avoid sharing your location or travel plans in real time, which could alert others that your home is unattended. Don't click on unverified links. Avoid clicking on links in messages or posts from unverified sources, as they may lead to phishing sites.
Strengthen social media security. Always use strong, unique passwords for each of your social media accounts and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Regularly update your passwords and never share them. We hope you find these tips helpful in keeping your account secure. Thank you!